As Ukraine is pushing further into Russia's defensive lines, Russia's artillery are seeing an uptick in losses, as Ukraine's drone army becomes a very dangerous threat, as they become like small guided missile, being able to take them out with a single hit, as ammunition is stored near or inside the system, which often have very limited armor. As this drone hits a 2S3 Akatsija self-propelled howitzer, the ammunition started burning off with the hit, resulting in both the system and ammunition getting completely destroyed, letting the Ukrainian drone army to look for new targets to take out, leaving one less howitzer. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.